In this short tutorial, I will show you how to get the multi-snap option back on Snapchat. Many users have noticed that the multi-snap feature has mysteriously disappeared from their app. But don't worry, fixing it is simple and quick. To get started, open up the Snapchat app and then tap on the Bitmoji profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Then, scroll down and tap Clear Data. And then tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear to confirm it. Once you've done that, go back. Scroll down to the very bottom and tap Log Out. After that, exit the Snapchat app and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. And then scroll down this list of apps and find the Snapchat app. Tap on it. Then tap Offload App. Offloading the app removes it from your device while keeping its data intact. This can help reset any temporary glitches or errors that may be causing the multi-snap option to disappear. Then, tap Reinstall App. Reinstalling the app ensures you are using the latest version with all updates, potentially resolving any issues that were present in the previous installation. Once you've done that, open up Snapchat again, log back in, and check if the multi-snap option has reappeared. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.